Hello everyone, today I'll be demoing an integration between Workato's Workbot for Slack and ServiceNow. In today's use case, we'll be going over a HR onboarding provisioning process. So whenever a new hire has been added to Workday, the manager will receive a notification on Slack about the new hire. At the same time, Workbot will also give the option to the manager to select the provisions that the new hire should receive. Workbot would then go into ServiceNow to create these requests and kickstart the onboarding process. So I'll just jump right in. So as you can see, Betty Liu has just been added to Workday and the manager is receiving this notification. So once Betty Liu has been added to Workday, the manager would receive this notification. This contains some information about the new hire and the manager can look over it and review it. So when he wants to start the provisioning process, he can simply click this button over here. Workbot will essentially go out to ServiceNow and create this user in ServiceNow. At the same time, Workbot will retrieve all the available provisions that can be provisioned for this new employee. So the manager would simply pick from this list over here. So once the manager has selected from the pick list, Workbot will essentially go out to ServiceNow and create the request for this specific item. As you can see, a standard laptop has been selected. And if you click on this link over here, it would take you to the ServiceNow page where the manager can review the request. So the manager can go on to select more items. And once the manager is done selecting the provisions for the new hire, he can simply click Done. Finally, Workbot will give you a notification of all the items that have been provisioned for Betty Liu. This is how Workato's Workbot for Slack can integrate your onboarding process. Thank you.